Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to replace the filter, the fridge filter on a Samsung French door refrigerator. As you can see, I have a Samsung French door refrigerator right here. And if you want to replace the filter, the water filter, it's actually a very easy process. So you can see right here, this is the middle of the fridge. This is where the French doors close. And if you take a look over here, there is a little knob, and it looks like it almost locks the drawers, because I thought that's what it did. I thought it locked the drawers in place, but it actually doesn't. This is actually where the filter is. Very easy to replace. You can see right now it's in the lock portion. Okay, so you can see there's a lock symbol right there, and it's pointed towards the locked portion. And it shows that if you want to unlock it, you have to turn it like this. You turn it this way, right over here, just like that. That's counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, the opposite way of a clock. So what you want to do, take your hand and you want to turn it counterclockwise, just like that, and it should pop right out. Check that out. I bet you didn't know that that's where the filter was housed. I like it because they make it so easy to access and so easy to change. So you get your new filter. Okay, so once you get your new filter, you want to take it and you want to put it in sort of the same way. So you want to place it in place, and it almost screws in like a screw. So I'm starting it out like this, and you want to apply just a little bit of pressure towards the fridge, towards the back of the fridge, as you twist it. And you see right there, so it caught right there. You want the threads to catch. So let's say you start it over here, you're going to turn it, and then it catches. It goes in, and you're going to apply just a little bit of pressure in towards the fridge while turning it clockwise, and it locks in place like that. That's it. That is essentially how to change the fridge water filter on a Samsung French door refrigerator. It is super easy to do, and I've shown you how to do it in this simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great tutorial videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.